Hey there, welcome to this coding conundrum we're diving into today. The problem we have on our hands revolves around a progress bar with multiple segments, showcasing both achieved and planned values. The challenge lies in giving the planned segment a border and transitioning its border radius smoothly towards the end of the progress bar. A bit tricky to explain, right? Let's see if we can crack this puzzle together. Now, let's talk about the solution that can make your progress bar dreams come true. By tweaking the CSS properties, particularly utilizing the clip path property with the inset function, we can achieve the desired effect. This allows you to maintain the border radius at the end of the progress bar while elegantly handling the border for the planned segment. It's all about those precise calculations and alignments to get that sleek finish you're aiming for. Moving on to the practical application of the code provided, we can see how each segment is carefully crafted to fit the progress bar structure. The use of variables for dynamic calculations, along with clip path adjustments, ensures a seamless transition between the segments. With a keen eye for detail and a bit of CSS finesse, you can bring your progress bar design to life, just like a pro. In summary, mastering the art of clip path and fine-tuning your CSS properties is the key to achieving that polished progress bar look you're after. So, tweak away, experiment with the code, and watch your design come together beautifully. Remember, in the world of coding, the devil is in the details. Stay creative, stay curious, and until next time, happy coding, folks! And remember, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite CSS hack. Who knows, it might just make it into the next video.